Ha, it's your boy. And you see where I just left. I left the club, and I'm not talking about the dance club. I'm talking about the fitness club, baby. You know, health is the best wealth, and I always preach that on my channel. Hell, man. But y'all, I'm coming to y'all for a little piece of advice or a little piece of let me know if I should do this or not. But I'm in the gym, right? And yo, I'm really noticing how like a lot of these women in the gym, yo, like be literally half naked. Like, yo, I mean legitly half naked. Brothers, fellas, y'all go to the gym, y'all know what I'm talking about, and y'all know what I'm experiencing. Y'all females who even watching, y'all know what y'all be doing. Like, y'all know what y'all be doing. What is the point of wearing some type of underwear looking shorts? You know what I'm saying? Draw it all the way up high so people could see a little camel print. You know what I'm saying? Like, little butt crack line and all that, man. Like, yo, I'm trying to fight these lust demons, but yeah, I come to the gym to beautify my body. You know what I'm saying? To increase my health so I can increase my wealth. But yeah, what do I see? All these demon women with these naked, like basically naked coming to, they're basically wearing bra and panties to the gym. Like, it don't make no sense to me. I feel like they should have like a ban on, like, I don't want, I'm not, you know what I'm saying? Fellas, y'all understand or not, or am I just really bugging? Like, I mean, it's good to look, but after a while it becomes kind of overwhelming, especially when these women, most of them are just, they're out here, they wake up and their point on their mind is just to reject men. Like, their point and for the whole day is just to reject as much men as possible, because they're getting approached left and right, and on Instagram and social medias, you already know these females are like local celebrities, in every hood, in every borough, in every state, now every continent. You know what I'm saying? They got men in their DMs like crazy. Feel me? Okay, so the point that I'm making of this video is, yo, you know what I've been thinking of doing? Because I run a lot. I run on the treadmill a lot. Literally a lot. I'm thinking that I'm going to start wearing no underwear under my shorts. I'm going to start wearing some shorts with no underwear, you know what I'm saying? And let my print just flop all over the gym floor. I'm not playing. Y'all want to look? Look. Because ain't no reason for me to be seeing all these camel toes, you know what I'm saying? And it's like, huh? What? Now I'm about to start showing off my junk too and see how y'all like it. You could look but can't touch, ladies. Hands off the merchandise. Hit me in the comment section.